Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will walk through how to convert a Facebook account to a page. So let's dive right in. First, log in to your Facebook account on your web browser or mobile app. Then, click on the profile icon in the top right corner. Then, select your Facebook profile. Now, once you are in your Facebook profile, you'll see 3 dots near the Edit Profile button. Click on those dots and scroll down to find Turn on Professional Mode. Read the information about the professional mode and click on the Turn on button. This will take a quick time and convert your Facebook account to a professional account. Professional mode is a feature on Facebook that lets you showcase your work and connect with potential clients or collaborators. It essentially transforms your profile into a mini portfolio with additional features to help you manage your professional identity on the platform. And there you have it. Using this method, you can convert Facebook accounts to pages. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.